Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another hair review. This hair is some crochet hair. So I did start out with a cap. It's a netted cap. It does have combs in it and an elastic band around the edge, so the cap does fit very comfortably. I'm using the Lulatress hair by Sensationnel. It's the Island Twist in 8-inch, and I did use two different colors. I used the BG and the color 1B, and I did use 6 packs, 3 packs of each hair. So, I used 2 packs of the BG and I used 4 packs of the black. So I went ahead and just crocheted the hair into the netted stretch cap, just like I normally would any other, crochet video. You just literally just open the crochet needle, the hook, put the hair on the hook, close the hook, and pull the hair through. And that's pretty much all I did to create this wig. You saw before I did sketch out a space that I wanted to leave open just using a white eyeliner pencil. I first thought I wanted to have a part in this wig, and I later decided I didn't want to do that. But anyway, you'll see how I style it later on in the video. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like once I finish the wig. I did leave that space, but like I said, you'll see how I styled it to, kind of cover that. But yeah, so the cap was really comfortable. You can get this cap anywhere. I just got it from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, you guys, I just braided my hair down and went ahead and popped the wig on, just showing you that it does have a lot of stretch and it does have the 2 combs in it, so you can have a little extra security. Now, if you don't like that elastic band edge around showing, you could always just flip that under, and that elastic band, the edge of that cap will not show. Me personally, I wasn't too pressed about it, but yeah, like I said, you could always just flip it under. So this is what the hair looked like straight on my head. Obviously, when you have curly hair, you never wear it straight out of the pack. That is the biggest no-no in the world. Never have curly hair just straight out of the pack. Always grab a wide tooth comb and just tease out those curls a little bit so they're not as uniform. The hair will look a lot better, a lot more natural, and a lot more full if you do that. Now personally, I would have liked this hair to be much fuller, but I didn't have enough packs of hair. So I would say maybe 8 packs of hair would give you a fuller look, since this is what 6 packs looks like. I really love how I did the placement of the red hair. I think it's really pretty having that chunk of red in the front and the 1B all around the sides and the back. I'm really happy with the way this hair turned out. I've been loving all of Sensationnel's Lulatress hair, from their Luna locks to their bohemian twist to all their different curls and wave patterns, the different lengths that they're offering. I really like Lulatress. If you guys haven't tried any of the Lulatress hair, definitely head over to Sam's Beauty. They did sponsor this video by sending over this hair. Definitely check out the Lulatress hair on samsbeauty.com. They have the entire collection of Sensationnel Lulatress, and I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, you guys, I definitely trimmed a little bit of a bang just to frame my face, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you subscribe, you turn on post notifications, you're sharing and liking these videos. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.